Hello there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to combine photos on iPhone. So for combining photos, first you need to open Instagram app on your mobile phone. Then just click on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you can see your profile page will appear on your screen. Then at the top left, you can see your profile picture. On your profile picture, you can see this small plus icon. You need to click on it. Then this page will pop up on your screen. Here, click on this camera option. Now here on the left side, you can see some options. Click on this layout option. From this page, you can combine pictures. By clicking on change grid, you can change grid for your pictures. Like you can select this 6-box grid for images or this 2-box, it's your choice. Like here, I select this one. Then for combining pictures at the bottom left, you have this small photos button. Just click on it. And then choose the pictures from your gallery. If you want to take picture, then just simply click on this button. Once one picture is added, then click on this tick button. Then here you can see my 2 pictures are added. Now here you can see pictures are combined. Now it's time to save in camera roll. So for this purpose, at the top right corner, you have these 3 dots. Click on it. Then this page will pop up. Here you have the option of save. Once you click on it, you can see that picture is saved to camera roll. Now in phone gallery, you can see this picture is saved. So this is very simplest and easiest way to combine photos on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.